Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue lesson 4, part 17 of commercial application of class 9th. Okay? In previous videos I taught you about the meaning of partnership and company. Now in this I am going to teach you what is the difference between company and partnership. So first of all, I'll tell you the difference on the basis of different points. Okay? So our first point is mode of creation. Company by incorporation, because company is created by law. That is why it is mode of creation is by incorporation. Now the second is partnership. So partnership is created by a written or oral agreement. Hope you understood. Once again I am going to repeat it. Mode of creation of company is by law or by incorporation, and in partnership it is by a written or oral agreement. Now second basis is legal status. What is the legal status of company and partnership? So legal status of company is a distinct legal status separate from its members. It has its own legal entity. In partnership, there is no separate legal entity different from its partners. In this partnership, company and partners are one. Okay. Now next point is number of members. How many number of members are there in company and partnership? In public company, minimum members are 7, maximum no limit is there. But in private companies, minimum 2 and maximum 200 members. Okay. Now in partnership, minimum members are 2 and maximum only 50. Is it clear what is the difference between company and partnership? Number of members. Now I am going to tell you about the liability. In liability, limited up to face value of shares held or amount of guarantees given. Okay. That is up to the face value. But in the partnership, limited, joint and several liability. So this is the difference between company and partnership. Now our next basis of distinction is transferability of interest. In company, interests are transferable but without the permission of other members. Means interest they can transfer without the permission of other members. In partnership, interests are not transferable without the mutual consent of all the partners. If they are agree, then only they can transfer their interest to the outsiders. Now next point is management. Management. In company, members elect directors who manage the company. Only the members can elect the directors of the company who are going to manage the company. In partnership, every partner has the right to take part in the management of the firm. The partners who are there in the partnership, they have a right to take part in the activity of the firm. Now next point is implied agency. Implied agency. In company, members is not the agent of the company or of the other members. But in partnership, every partner is an agent of the firm and also of all the members. Our next point is registration. In company, registration is compulsory. Why? Because it is created under the eyes of law. That is why we have to register our company. Okay. But in partnership, not compulsory. Means registrations are not compulsory in partnership. So these all are the others basis of distinction between the company and partnership. Our next point is legal formalities. What are the legal formalities are there in the company and partnership? In company, filing of audited accounts is compulsory. We have to audit it and cannot change its object without the legal procedures. In partnership, accounts and audit not compulsory and they can change their objects freely. Okay. Next point is dissolution. Dissolution means in company does not dissolve by death insolvency, lunacy, etc. of its members. This company is not going to be dissolved, not going to be wind up by death, insolvency or lunacy of the members. In partnership, it is dissolved by death, lunacy, insolvency of a partner. Next is governing law in India. Companies Act 2013 and the Partnership Act 1932. So this is again the three difference between the company and partnership. Now I am going to start with the merits of joint stock company. Our first point is large capital resources. In joint stock company, large capital resources needed. They appeal to all the investors of all types, and its capital, whatever the capital is there, it will be divided into shares of small values so that people with limited means can also buy them. So there is a large capital resources in joint stock company. Next point is limited liability. In joint stock company, the liability is limited so that his personal property cannot be attached, cannot be used even if the company is unable to meet its creditors' claim. They cannot use their personal property. Okay. Our next point is continuity of existence. In company, it enjoys an uninterrupted existence over a long period of time, because company cannot dissolve by the death, lunacy or insolvency of a members. That's why it enjoys an uninterrupted existence. So company will continue. Okay. Next point is efficient management. A company can employ highly qualified experts in different areas so that they can improve their business transactions with the highly qualified experts. Okay. Now this is the last advantages, goodwill and public confidence. Company enjoys a good reputation and prestige in the business world. It follows all legal formalities to win the public goodwill. So company enjoys good reputation in the market and public goodwill also. So that's all for today. Thank you.